Well, hello, hi friends. It's Anmol Samsuhang, and welcome back to ARS Biologicals after a long time. It's been since long that I haven't been uploading my videos, so here I am today with a new video. So we are going to look at something different today. Let me show you something. So here I have a pickle jar. Actually, it was a pickle jar, but 2 years ago in 2020 I had poured some river water into it, then some clumps of algae, moss, and a wooden wooden branch, a stick, and it's been 2 years that I haven't opened it. I've sealed it properly with a scotch tape and some glue inside, something like that. So today I'm going to open it after 2 years and put it under the microscope and going to see how it looks. We are going to find what kind of microbes are dwelling in this water. So let's get started. So friends, first let me take a scissor and just with the algae. So the water seems all greenish. So this is what I have. What I'm going to check. For it, I'm going to take a clump of algae first. Destroy the whole habitat. Into plastic cup. So friends, now let's take a closer look, and at the first sight only we saw something floating, I mean swimming in the water, and there are some bacteria too. You can took a closer look. There are spiral bacteria and some coccus bacteria are also there. Take a proper look, and there are some ciliates or chilimonas swimming around. So I thought this would be a full of life, but maybe because I had sealed it, only few life forms are existing here. Okay. Oh, you can see the white dots. They are actually bacteria. They are coccus bacteria, and some ciliates, chilimonas there over there. Sorry for that glitch. Okay, this is actually our moss, and you can see the cell walls of the moss. It's little difficult. It's being little difficult for me to focus today because I'm having some technical difficulties, so please excuse me for that. So you can see the peeled off old moss cell, and there are also algae around it. You can see this is actually an algae colony, and this is probably a dead moss. And here we again stumble onto another algae colony, and you can clearly see that they have been divided. They were divided maybe by direct cell division or binary fission. So it's a very beautiful look which we can see. Okay, another moss sample. I've been taking multiple samples, and perhaps this is the last one. So friends, this much for today, and you can comment in the comment section to put what kind of substance under the microscope and see it. So this much for today. See you in my next video.